Hello YouTube, this is student 4 with some chemistry videos for the summer. So let's just start off at the beginning of chemistry. So let's begin with a basic definition of chemistry. Chemistry is many things, but it can be summarized as the science of substances and what makes them up, so it's about things. And the people that study chemistry are chemists. And often in chemistry, we come across large numbers that will take forever to count or even write out, even in scientific notation. And this eventually led to the use of moles as the counting unit. There are several things to do with moles, and the first of which you should know is Avogadro's number. This is a really big number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd of something. So a way this is defined is the number of atoms of carbon-12 there are in 12 grams of carbon-12. So more on carbon-12 and why I'm saying 12 in another video. So how do you calculate the number of moles of something? You take the formula N equals M over M. So N is moles. And you find this by dividing the mass of a substance by the molar mass. And you do this when you know the mass in grams, or you can convert it to grams, and when the total molar mass is known. And you can calculate this by looking at the periodic table of elements, which will give the molar mass in grams per moles. And you also need a chemical formula. For example, you can calculate the molar mass of water by taking the molar mass of hydrogen and oxygen. The chemical formula for water is H2O. So you double the molar mass of hydrogen, so that's 1.01 times 2, so 2.02, and you add the molar mass of oxygen, 16.00. So that comes out to 18.02 grams per mole. And why are moles so important in chemistry? Well, you can discover the molecular formula of a substance, so that's the exact ratio of elements within a substance, from experimentally gained data by looking at the ratios. So there's this way to do it, and I'll cover that in the next video. And when you know the molecular formula of a substance and you know the molar mass of it, you can figure out many properties, and most of these will be physical properties, but there will be some chemical properties that you'll be able to figure out. Now, just to distinguish between physical and chemical properties. Physical properties are those properties of a substance that can be observed without changing the substance. And physical properties are used to describe matter. For example, boiling point and freezing point. Chemical properties are those properties that are detected by changing the substance chemically, so by having it undergo a chemical reaction. Chemical properties describe the substance's potential to undergo chemical change, and for example, this is reactivity. So to summarize what we learned today, we learned that chemistry is the science of substances and the individual components that makes them up. And one of the key concepts of chemistry that you'll find in almost any unit to do with chemistry are moles. And moles is a counting number which comes down to about 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd of something. And you can calculate moles when you have the mass of a substance and the molar mass of a substance by dividing the mass, by taking the mass, converting it to grams, then dividing it by the molar mass of the substance. So thanks for watching this video, and look forward to the other chemistry videos to follow. Thank you.